out of Jersey with authority, man, no doubt about it.
What was it?
445, 2112.
Myself, man.
Well, I appreciate it, 2112, but you gotta keep some of them flowers for yourself. I don't know what you're doing over there, what you're running, but you're a loud competitor out there around New Jersey, 2112, 445 radio, man. Told you that.
I'm gonna ease back here, man. This week when she done tried to call me on this end. She done told me, she said, look, you need to keep doing what you're doing.
Just start to get some key time on it and kind of ease up into it and see where it winds up. But yeah, man, appreciate the flowers on that, man. Same for yourself. But yeah, just ease on into it and see how it goes. 445, 2112. We're trying to kill this one in my mouth.
All right, 2112, have a good weekend. We'll put it on you later. We'll catch you on Facebook, 2112, 445 said bye-bye.
No doubt. I was pointed north, man, talking up around Tennessee, and I didn't know we had conditions everywhere. But I know it's noisy in there.
Hello down there in Florida, Deer Slayer, 445 waving.
Good evening, time to your carpet, 2 watt, bottom side, pass them to the man, 2 watt in the Great Lakes, and get no.
Hey, Deer Slayer down there in Florida, 445 waving if you got a sloppy copy.
I'm gonna get up in there, Mobile. Hey, carpet in the Carolina, 2 watt. See, I want to get up in that dope boy, Mobile, 2 watt in the